On my kicker tonight, I will try to state it as politely as I can that, like coronavirus, some of the ways of our political leaders must be brought to a stop. Last week on this very show, we wondered where our members of the National Assembly and senators had disappeared to for close to a month. We questioned their absence from the Houses of Parliament at such a time of grave national crisis. It troubled us that a parliament of over 400 presumably COVID-free adults went missing at a time the country was begging for leadership. We wondered why none of them, not a single one of them, had come out to preach behavior change or even rally constituents around the simple but life-saving act of washing hands. Small correction on that. A few saw the political opportunity and pasted their faces on bottles of hand sanitizers. Their objective is not the life or health of the hand wash user. Their objective is cold-blood political popularity. We even wondered how measures proposed by the executive can be effected without a parliament in session, as legislators could not meet because they had panicked because of COVID-19, according to their House leaders. This week, though, political leaders demonstrated that if it is about them, the numbers and bodies will be produced. Some changes in the National Management Committee of the Jubilee Party produced some real fine mobilization skills, with politicians pouring outrage faster than they have poured hand sanitizers this year. Over 140 legislators protested the Jubilee management changes in a frenzied fight back that has sadly replaced coronavirus from the headlines of sections of the media. Details of changes in the Jubilee Party aside, political wrangles in the middle of a near national paralysis occasioned by coronavirus is plain bad manners. It says a lot about the value system of those involved. They are champions of the moral low road. They're not just audaciously selfish, they are incapable of both shame and good judgment. I'm not faulting them for engaging in leadership tussles, but for the timing and the inequitable energy and gallantry they displayed on partisan politics compared to the silent treatment they have given the COVID-19 national crisis. At the most minimum, these political leaders owe Kenyans some courtesy. Politics of this kind, in my view, does not even deserve headline news, at least not yet. That is my kicker.